Following another incident of suspected chemical inhalation at Our Lady of Apostles Secondary School, Ijebu Ode, the Ogun State government has taken decisive and far-reaching steps to safeguard students and residents of the area. The State Commissioner for Environment, Dr. Ola Oresanya, disclosed this while speaking with journalists during an on-the-assessment visit to the school. Fatima Hassan completes the report.
For the third time this year, a mysterious air pollution incident has been recorded at Our Lady of Apostles Secondary School, Ijebu Ode, prompting intensified efforts by the Ogun State government and relevant agencies to ascertain the cause of the repeated occurrence. As part of precautionary measures, bushes within and around the school premises have been cleared, while CCTV cameras and gas analyzers have been installed to enhance monitoring and investigation. A standby ambulance has also been deployed to the school to ensure prompt response to any emergency. Speaking with journalists during an assessment visit to the school, the Ogun State Commissioner for Environment, Dr. Ola Oresanya, assured residents that the incident is not linked to banditry or any security threat. He explained that preliminary findings point to possible methane gas emissions or other underground activities.
So eventually we detected was methane. That was at the second time it was methane. And probing methane sources. So what we've done immediately now is to ask the gas company to shut down the gas supply. It's going to affect industries, but the life of the children is more important. The life and safety of our people is more important than any economic gain. So we have a security team, we have the Commissioner of Police personally on top of this situation. And we have a drone that has been monitoring the areas. So it's not about bandits. We can't lay our hand exactly on sabotage for now.
Dr. Oresanya added that all relevant agencies are working tirelessly to determine the exact cause of the incident and implement lasting solutions to ensure the safety of students, staff and residents of the community. In Ijebu Ode, Fatima Hassan, NT News.